Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Sona Sablo from Divine in the Complete Cooking School. So the surprise recipe today was Angrezi beet paratha. This is a combination we have bought from Punjab and Italy together. So I hope you all enjoy and let's cook because it's very popular among the kids and I'm dead sure the kids are going to love this and it is super duper easy. So let's get started for Angrezi beet pizza paratha. Okay, these are the ingredients for the base of your pizza paratha. So here we go. This is your mixed herbs. This is your chili flakes. This is your garlic powder. Now this is available in all the stores, in Reliance, More, anywhere. It's very handy. Keep it at home. If you don't have this, don't bother. You can use your garlic. You mince it small into bits. Now this is a very interesting ingredient. This is your cheese powder. When you go to cinema hall, you generally, you buy the popcorn, cheese popcorn. This is used in that. You can get it in any dry food store. And if you're a Hubliite, then you'll get it at Nourish Dry Fruit. I bought it from there. Now this is your Amul butter. This is your processed cheese. And this is your atta, जो आपने गूंद के रखा हुआ है. Just add a little bit of this in it, namak. That's it. Don't use any oil or anything in this. Fine. And this is your dry atta. That's it for the base. So here are the ingredients for the topping. Now this is red chili sauce. You can use any brand, no compulsion. Say around 2 tablespoons. If you want a little spice, you can take more. Then this is green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon. I think this is good to go. Then we have your tomato ketchup, around 1 tablespoon. And these are sliced olives. I have green, I don't have black at home. And these are some sliced onions and capsicum. You just have to slice them, de-seed them and slice them, and these are sliced onions. And this is our desi ghee, a must in our parathas. Okay, chalo. Now let's make it. Okay, take good amount of your kneaded dough. Just roll it in your palms. This is just the process how you make your chapatis or parathas at home. और इसको आप अभी इसको roll कर लो. Do a thin sheet. Okay? पतला सा कर लो बस roll. Now you take a good generous amount of makhan. As we are Punjabis, we don't compromise with makhan. Now here goes your chili flakes, your garlic powder, your mixed herbs, your cheese powder, and your processed grated cheese, and little bit of your atta, sukka atta. Fine. Now just hold this and make a fan. In your childhood, I remember we used to make this. It's something like origami we used to do, I remember. I still enjoy doing all this. And the best part of this is, if kids want to have pizza, you don't have to bother to get pizza base or anything from the market and using yeast and all. Now roll this into a very you can say not very thick and not very thin, that you get this thin crust pizza at in the stores. So make sure it's not very thin and not very thick, and because I want you all to get that crispiness. So see, can you see this? Yeah, that's it. Now take a non-stick tawa and heat it and just grease it with a little bit of ghee or oil. Okay, so यहाँ पे you just put this on a garam tawa. Wait for say about 1 minute or just 30 seconds. फिर ना इसको आप उल्टा कर दो. Now leave this to cook for say about 1 minute. 1 मिनट आपको चाहिए इसको कुक होने के लिए. This is the exact way of making your crispy parathas. What you do is आप गलतियाँ ये करते हो कि इसमें पहले घी लगा लेते हो फिर टर्न करते हो. You don't do that. You just you put the paratha and flip it within 30 seconds on the other side and let it cook for 1 minute. Exactly 1.5 minutes को इसको आराम से cook होने दो. In the meantime, I told you this is the topping. We have used garlic sauce, chili sauce and red chili sauce in this. I've kept it ready. अभी देखो आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे bubbles नज़र आ रहे हैं छोटे छोटे. हाँ, this is the right way of doing it. Even when you're making at home a paratha, see, this is what we wanted. ठीक है? So now when you feel it is partly cooked, flip the pizza paratha and add good amount of your desi ghee. As we are Punjabis, we don't compromise with ghee as well. It is a key ingredient to our paratha. Now can you see the sizzling? Yeah, this is where it gets crispy. This is the right way of making paratha. Now again, you can flip it. Yeah. Also brush ghee on both the sides. Flip it once again or twice till both the sides are cooked properly. Finally, now is the time to top the paratha with the topping. So please simmer your gas slowly and top it with the tomato, ketchup, the sauces and ketchup mixture. Then top it with your sliced capsicum. Here I want to tell you, you can add anything like shredded chicken. Option is all yours. You can use boiled corns. You can use sausages. You can use paneer. You can use anything. It is all your option. You can use your chicken tikka, anything. And then you put your sliced onions and olives and good amount of your processed cheese. And if you don't have processed cheese, you can go ahead with your mozzarella cheese as well. Generally, the processed cheese doesn't melt properly, but it tastes better with processed cheese than mozzarella cheese. That's how I like it. Option is all yours. You can use mozzarella cheese as well. And simmer this slowly and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now season this again with your herbs and chili sauce and leave it on gas for say about 2 to 3 or 4 minutes max on slow flames. And here we go. You can use anything. Option is all yours. Here you go. Your pizza is ready. Isn't this looking gorgeous? Yes, this is how it is. So here is your Angrezi beet pizza. Please do give it a try and make your kids happy. We are coming up with our online classes, so stay tuned with us on Facebook. We'll be updating it very, very soon. Thank you. Love you all.